How long did it take for you to make your first overtone sound?
I think it took me around half a year.
What?
I practice only 15 minutes a day because this is very overloading for my throat. So if you over practice it, you will actually hurt your vocal cord.
No. Alright, today we're going to learn how to sing overtones. I wasn't planning to make this video, but as you can tell by my exasperation, I got triggered by TwoSet's videos, so here we are. Huge shout out to Fox for the help. Check him out on IG, his link will also be in the description below. This technique should take less than a minute to first learn, and overtones are primarily controlled by your tongue to affect resonance, so I have no idea why the guy in TwoSet's video would strain his throat. At this rate, I'm pretty sure this video will be more complaining than tutorial, so before we drag this out, let's jump into it. Step 1. Say the letter R. Step 2. In the R tongue position, you should notice your tongue is pretty flat with the tip curled up slightly. The middle to back part of your tongue should also be somewhat elevated towards your palate. Keeping everything else the same, flatten just the slightly curled up tip. Step 3. Keeping the flattened tip R tongue position, smile widely and vocalize an E with the tongue position maintained. E. Step 4. From the previous E position, slowly transition your vocalization to an OO, turning your smile into a pucker, then go back to the E position with a wide smile. There will be subtle changes to the tongue position as you transition that affect the overtone's pitch. For example, some people might feel the tip of their tongue somewhat curl upwards, but when you first learn, you shouldn't focus on these changes and let them happen naturally as a result of going from E to OO. Your tongue will overall still be in the R position from step 1. And that's all. It should take less than a minute to learn. While I say that, this technique can take years to master like Anna Maria. Here's a clip of her doing some ridiculous desynchronization techniques. Variations. First, you can do overtone singing with some type of lip vibration. It could be fart bass or smile bass or even just regular lip oscillation. Because you can't go from a smile to pucker, practicing this will help you better understand the subtle tongue position changes for controlling pitch from step 4. Shout out to Frequency for showing me this. Second, you can do overtone singing with throat bass or inward vocal fry bass. It's exactly the same regarding the tongue and mouth stuff. The only difference is you phonate with throat bass or inwards with a deep vocal fry. You can search separately for how to do throat bass or inward vocal fry bass, but for the sake of this video, practicing these will help you isolate how overtones are produced. Lastly, the vocalized water drop isn't really an overtone singing technique, but it plays with mouth resonance in a very similar fashion. Because the resonance effects are similar, practicing this will help you learn to project your overtones better. Check out my video on double voice to learn this technique. Anyways, I hope this video has helped you learn or understand how to sing overtones. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.